Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how you can easily delete or recover your deleted email in Zoho Mail. Are you looking to clean up your inbox or worried you might have deleted something important by mistake? Whether you are decluttering your Zoho Mail or trying to rescue a lost email, this guide will walk you through the both deleting messages and recovering them when needed process. First of all, open the Zoho Mail application on your smartphone and log in. Once logged in, go ahead and select your email you want to delete from your email tab. To delete the email, drag the email towards the left and you'll see a little trash can icon in red. Tap on it and the email will be moved to your trash folder. Now, if you want to recover the mail, then all you need to do is to tap on the email button and it will open up this expanded menu. Click on trash and then swipe left on the email you want to recover and tap on the mail icon and click on inbox. Soon after you do that, if you get to your email inbox, you'll be able to see the deleted email once again back into your email folder. Deleted emails move to a trash folder where they stay for 30 days before permanent deletion. You can find the trash folder in your left sidebar and you can go ahead and recover the deleted email if you have deleted it by mistake. But if you want to recover the email, you'll need to do it before 30 days until your email gets permanently deleted. So that is how you can easily delete and recover your deleted emails in Zoho. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.